going to and fro. This world is such a crazy place. It's all about the go, go, go. Sometimes life is down. You see the world so differently when you turn it upside down. I don't